Updating your billing address on Browse.ai is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Access your Browse.ai account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Billing Information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your address. In the billing information section, look for the option to update your billing address. Enter your new address details in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new information. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on Browse.ai. Keeping your information up to date ensures you receive important notifications and invoices without any issues.